Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you how to make the triple easel card. Okay, these one are with irregular border, same as the circular. Okay, so I'm going to show you tricks on how to work with this. You will need dies for this triple one. You will need a nesting dies. Okay, it can be like any design and 3 different sizes. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, and this is how it looks. See, big, medium, and small, and this is how it looks on the side. Okay, see, and this is the back. So we are going to do one of these, and this is how you can mail. Okay, you just put this one, okay, on top, and this one on top like this, and then you can put on an envelope and mail. Okay, it's not too bulky, and you just measure this size right here and the length and make an envelope and put it in there. Okay, and this is how it looks in the back. You are going to cut 3 papers with the first die. Okay, and then you're going to do the same with the medium and the small. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first one, and I already have the other ones. Okay, you just need 2 of the base, okay, and also for the back. Okay, I use the same color, and 1 for the front. Okay, so here is what you have. Okay, 1, 2, and for the last one, okay, this is the base. For the last one, okay, you measure the size of your die, okay, and you're going to measure 1/2 inch bigger. Okay, so after you cut the paper, it had to be 1/2 inch bigger. You are going to score that 1/2 inch. Okay, and after you score that, you're going to fold it. Okay, fold that 1/2 inch, and we are going to use washi tape. I use washi tape because it doesn't stick too much on the paper. Then, okay, can you see the folding is to the inside? Okay, you are going to put against the die, and you're going to just put underneath, okay, like this, underneath the cutting side. Okay, for example, this one is the lowest, okay, the lowest side, so you have to put it just right under. Okay, and I'm going to put washi tape, okay, right here and on the sides. And as you can see, okay, it's right under the cutting line right here. See, so and on this side, the folding is facing the die. Okay, so you're going to cut this one, and I'm going to show you how it looks. And now, okay, as you can see, it cuts all the way, and I'm going to take the washi tape, okay, and this is what you will have. Okay, and this part we are going to glue to the other die. Okay, now for this one, okay, it's going to be right here. Okay, and I like to put it up here on the top because this folding you can put in 2 ways, and I'm going to show you. First, you have to fold it in half. Okay, this one. So I'm going to face this side right here and match with the other one. Okay, and then I'm going to fold it to the back. Okay, so I just align the corners, and I'm going to crease, and now you have this. Now you can put it like this, okay, or you can put it like this, okay. You can glue it right here, and I like to put it up here, okay, on the top, on the back right here, because then your card looks more stronger on the top, okay. Then when you do it up here, this is too flimsy, see? So I'm going to glue it right here, okay. Now I put a tape over here, see, just half right here, and I'm going to attach to the front one, okay. And I have to align, okay, the top. And after that, you just press right here. And it looks like this, see? Okay, now we are going to glue right here, this one, because this one will look like this. We are going to glue this one here, but to glue this one right here, you have to align the bottom, okay? You are going to align the bottom, and then you're going to glue, okay, this part up here. So you put the glue here and this one. Glue here because I don't have tape of that size. And I'm going to align the bottom, okay, and you're going to attach to the top, okay. This is the bottom part, so you just align and then press, and here you have, okay. See, now we are going to press right here, and now we are going to cut the excess of the top, okay. You have to do like this, okay, and you're going to cut this. So now we have this, okay, and this one, it's going to look like this. We have the first card. And one more thing, okay, can you see right here, because this one is irregular, we don't want this part up here, so you are going to open, okay, and that irregularity is from here, so we are going to just cut those little pieces, okay. See? And that's okay because you don't see that part, okay, it's kind of hidden in your card. So now your card looks like more impeccable, and that part is from here, so you don't see the difference, okay, because this one is going to be hidden in the back like this, okay, when you put your card up, see. So now this one is ready, and you are going to do the same with the card that is the medium and the small one. As you can see, okay, I made exactly the same thing, and I have my medium easel and then my small one, see, okay, and the same thing, okay, half of an inch to just glue the other one, so you can change the color up here. It's so nice to have two colors, right? on your card. Now, before we put them together, we are going to embellish them, okay? And for that, I already have my dies cut. What you will do next is, okay, put your card up, okay, and put the second one so you can decide where to stop the card, okay? For example, if you put it too lay down, it looks bad, right? So you have to raise until you see the level that you want, okay, to be up. And this one too, so you can see if it looks nice, okay, the one in the back. So it's just this part is just the way that you see the card, okay, and you decide where to put the stop, okay. So I'm going to do that, and for example, I'm looking at these two, and I think this one is nice, like right there. These three roses, you can find this one at AliExpress. I'm going to put the links, okay. And as you can see, these ones are kind of high, and you have to put glue in the back, okay. So I'm going to put just one in each one because it's kind of high. It's going to hold the whole thing, okay. So I'm going to put it right here. If you have a mat with the squares, it's going to be better because you can put it straight, okay. And then this is where I want, okay. So I'm going to just put right here, okay, in the center, one dot, and I'm going to put my top right here, okay. So this is how it's going to look. Now that you have your first card, okay, it's going to be easier to put the other ones because you can align, okay, the same pattern, okay. For example, right here, you can align and see the same pattern. If you are not sure, you can put it on the side, okay, and align like this, okay, where they are in the same direction, okay. And I'm going to put glue right here. You can mark with a pencil if you want. And I'm going to put the flower in the center, okay. And you can do that with a little card, with the third card. Okay, now we're going to align that. And I'm going to mark right here with a pencil, because this one is little, it's going to move. And I'm going to put the glue right here. And now I can attach this one right here. Okay. And can you see? You have the three cards in the same direction. And now I measure, okay, from the end right here of the embellishment, 1/2 inch on the big one and on the medium, okay? You just measure from the end of the embellishment 1/2 inch. If your embellishment is narrow, you can maybe leave 3/4 inch. It depends on how you want them, okay? This is going to be up to you. You don't make any marks on the little one because this is the end, okay? And that's what you will see. Okay, now, because you have the mark right here, you are going to put this one on top, okay? And you're going to just put a dot, okay? So you know your limit right here on the side. So you can put the tape, okay, in this area. See? You can put a tape in this area. So then you can just put the other card. Now I already put that tape, and now it's going to be easier to attach, okay, the card. You just need to take the tape, then you are going to place this card, okay, because you already have the marks. Okay, you know where it will go. And just make sure that it's straight. Okay, then you're going to leave this one and then press right here. Okay, so you have the second card attached. See? Now we're going to do the same with the third one. And you just press, and then you have that triple easel card. I will put the links of all the dies that I used and in the description box, and just have fun making triple easel cards using dies. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.